Hi angels, welcome back to my studio. I love filming in here. You probably always see me here on TikTok and Instagram, so I thought for today's YouTube, that's where we're gonna be. I got this amazing PR package from Fenty Beauty. Like Riri herself sent these. Like she hand packaged these for me and said, send these to Anthea. I'm just kidding. But I wish though. I mean, still I'm on her radar. So that makes me really happy. And I'm so grateful to be able to receive PR from brands that are literally my favorite. And anyway, so let's get into it. So let's talk about the details of this. This package is stunning and it's super high tech. We love sustainable packaging that we can replace, and we have a ton of different colors here. So let's test them out on my skin tone. So first of all, we're gonna start off with a shade that I've already used before. Let me take off my current lip color. So I've swatched this one before online and ow, you guys were asking to see more shades and I thought I'm gonna deliver immediately. So this is, oh, what's the name of this shade? Oh, Mother Lover, okay? Here she is. I'm gonna pop this on. So immediately, the formula is so soft. It has a really pleasant scent to it. I'm just gonna grab a brown lip liner offhand. Here's Coffee by NYX. And I'm just gonna blend that into the outer edges. If you're a person of color, then you know you always have to blend with a deeper liner just to make a nude work for you. So here is this shade. I think it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to be rocking this all the time. I already have because as I mentioned, I already swatched this one. So here it is a little bit closer. Let me come in. Okay, next up, we're going in with the shade Pose Queen. Okay, I think this one, I can't say for sure, but I think that this one might just be my fave. Okay, now I'm just taking Nutmeg by NYX, another brown shade, just to blend everything in. These are so soft on the lips though. This could go with a nice smoky eye. It could go with literally any eye look. And I could see this is like summer, winter, whatever. Like this is a universal shade. I love this. Here it is up close. Okay, let's move on to the next shade. Ooh, okay, this one is called Scholar. Wait, sorry, not me forgetting immediately after. Scholar Sista. She's an educated baddie, okay? Ooh. Hello. Okay, this shade is so pretty. I would pair this with another blush, not the one that I'm wearing today. Today I'm wearing Melba by MAC, which is a classic, and I'm late on the bandwagon for that one. It is so pretty. Here she is. Okay, also, these formulas are not drying at all. I'm here for the vibes. And I love the fact that so far we've found some really wearable shades that look really good. So I can't wait to see what the next color is. This one is what we are gonna manifest this year. This shade is Ballin' Babe, okay? We out here ballin'. I love this color. This looks really good. This would look good on pretty much any skin tone, but if you are in the deeper range like myself, I love colors like this. It's just like a rich brownish, but it has a little bit, I don't know how to describe the shade. I'm just here for it. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded. I'm so faded, love. Did I just bust out into Re? I think I did because, I mean, we are using Fenty Beauty and everything. So, again, Ballin' Babe is this shade, and that's what we're going to be doing this year. Ballin'. Next up, we have Major Magnate, and let us see. Okay, this looks, I could already imagine a whole outfit planned around this lip color. And as a makeup person, I'm that type to plan an outfit around what my makeup look is going to be, just because that's just who I am as a person. But this shade is so pretty. And again, I think I didn't use another lip liner. My lips are like, you cute. My lips are just in Spain without the S, okay? They've been. Whenever you do lipstick try-ons, this is the vibe. I really like this shade, and I definitely will be rocking. I think it actually looks nice with my outfit right now because it has like a mauve tone. But regardless, I would rock like a noise. Why did that just come? That gave Brooklyn Nine-Nine vibes. I miss Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Bring it back, please. Another manifestation shade. She a CEO is what this one is called. I could tell this one is going to be money. Okay. Bruh. These shades are just stunning. I love them. This shade on me is giving a vibe of like, don't mess around with me. Take me seriously because I am a baddie and I'm a force to be reckoned with. Like, this is the type of lipstick that you put on and then you catch an attitude the whole day. And you're like, I don't know where it came from. Actually, we know it's the lipstick. But not in a mean way. Just in like a bossy, getting respect, but also being respectful to others. Okay, but have a closer look. Ask what okay, I literally look insane right now, and my lips got stained by the last one, so I'm just trying to remember the concealer lip days. This is giving major throwback vibes to those times. We've all been there. Unless you're a youngin', then you don't know, but the millennials know the concealer lip days, okay? Okay, let's see what's up next. We have Flaunty Aunty. Okay, this is like me. That's me. Okay, I need a lip liner for this one because it's deep. She's deep. So I'm going to take a deep lip liner. We're going in with the NARS liner in, what shade is this? What shade is this? Spunk. The way I said that reminded me of the sound on TikTok. Where your clothes at? I don't know if anyone else can relate, but everything in my life just is a TikTok sound. Like any incident that occurs just equates in my head to a TikTok sound. And if I'm talking to someone that is not on TikTok, they're like, huh? And I'm trying to say like, oh, there's a TikTok sound that's like, and they're like, So anyway, if you're not on it, get on it, okay? But if you don't want it, I respect that, but at the same time, get on it. You're missing out. It's so funny. Okay, let's put this on and see what the vibe is. Okay. I love me a good deep lip. It's been such a long time. Wow. This reminds me of my younger Wing It days. Oh my God. Okay, I freaking love this shade. Flaunty Aunty, okay? Get her done. Yes. Yes, please take my money. Thank you. Thank you. Take all my money. Take it all. The fact that I have random US money, it's not the huge, guys. Just so you know, I'm Canadian. So that was just from my trip to LA, money that I didn't spend. A frugal queen, okay? Anyway, this is the color up close. This next shade is called Board Member, and I'm just getting the vibe that these shades are just boss B vibes. I don't think I'm allowed to say B on here. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's YouTube, okay? I don't know. I'm not. Oh, I love this shade. I thought it was going to be darker. Oh, wow. It's reminding me of MAC Rebel, if anyone remembers that. Love this. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. But this color though, if they ain't looking, I don't wanna. If they ain't looking, I don't want that girl. They're definitely going to be looking at this shade. Okay, that's all I know. And this, again, what's the shade again? Board member? Yes. Second favorite shade. This is my second favorite shade. The nude obviously comes first for me because I'm just such a nude person every single day because I could wear it the most. But this color, I feel like $1,000,000. I look and feel like $1,000,000, okay? Here it is up close. I've given you guys a lot of kisses. You're getting a little bit spoiled. Should we try next? Grill Master. Okay, this is about manifesting. I did want to learn to grill this summer. Jeez. Ree was like in my head when she made these. I feel like we're connected in some way, you know? Like Ree, hit me up for a collab. Fenty Beauty X Wing It Beauty. Can we manifest that since this is, I'm putting it out into the universe, guys. Okay. Next color. Okay, I tried my best. My lips are stained at this point, so they are who they are, but this is the shade Grill Master. It has like the FB for Fenty Beauty on there embossed on the lipstick, and I love little details like that. I don't think I own a color like this. This has a bit of an orangey tinge. I think it's really pretty. I think it's very unique. So definitely something that I would rock more in the summertime, which is around the corner, or spring, actually. Hey, I'm not used to seeing myself in colors like this, but I think I should get more used to stepping outside of my comfort zone. The old school throwback Wing It used to wear gray lipstick, blue lipstick. Like that's how I started my page actually. So I'm fully open to every single color. I'm here for it. And I think you guys can rock any color too. Step outside of your comfort zone. I think we all get used to certain things, like me with my nudes. And yes, it's okay to have a preference, but I think for some days I would be open to rocking a shade like this. So I really like it. And again, my lips look and feel really hydrated. And this is the shade up close. Okay, so I just popped on the Cherry Lip Liner by MAC, a classic, and we're going in with the shade the MVP. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is like an iconic Ree shade. I feel like I've seen her wear colors like this, and then she formulated one for herself. Also, side note, I don't know why I'm remembering this at the very end, but I saw a video where Rihanna herself mentioned that the actual tip of this lipstick was made to fit her Cupid's bow, and we all know how she has that defined iconic Cupid's bow. She has that really unique shape to her lips that are just like really sexy, and like the Ree pout. Okay, we all know it. So I think that's so cool, just being able to design something this pretty and thoughtful. I think this red would work on a number of different skin tones. I think it looks rather beautiful on my skin tone. Can't wait to see this on other people, like really fair skin, really deep skin, like everyone. But I think she probably made this a universal red. I think this red will be a go-to. Like I think she is the moment. And there you have it, guys. I swatched a ton of lipsticks today. My lips need some TLC after that, because after wiping all of that lipstick off, this isn't the most beautiful thing to show, but I mean, it was a lot. We went through a lot, but I'm glad I got to swatch them all. I definitely found some new favorites, and I have a lot of ideas for makeup looks, like eye looks, that would go with these new lipsticks. So I definitely think you guys should check them out. Also, if you guys want to check out my latest video on YouTube, I posted a skincare routine. I'm going to link it right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Not me forgetting. Yes, like, subscribe, and comment. But all jokes aside though, I really would appreciate if you support my page, because you know I'm out here trying to make content on here, and I am here every Sunday like clockwork. So I'll see you next Sunday, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye.